like, fuck me, not like I wank, like, Sam just like take the photos, like, no, fuck, I leave you in the net.
Crack on.
I will, but
Hey, Yogi.
hey, Harry.
Fucking cold, like,
Yeah, it's chilly in a bit. Don't know, maybe I'm very good tired.
No, last time you was pretty good, wasn't it?
What?
Last time you was pretty good.
No, it's not hot. This one feels hot. You can go as close to the last one.
No,
But
instant reaction after the thing.
kind of one on now.
Try blowing it.
Doesn't know you are.
It's getting bad now. Actually, not as good as the last one, is it?
No.
Chuck them all on.
I'll chuck them
Get
on.
some twigs from the side. And
Chuck them on a bit, try and get the heat going a bit. Sound like hot, do you reckon?
catch it.
Yeah, I'm not. Right, let's move it a bit. Get the heat in a bit more.
There's loads of twigs on the floor. You're just filming the fire. Filming you now.
Sam, like that.
What the fuck's that about? Now the world will see what a dickhead you are, I ain't joking. Sam, the camera on you, mate.